Though ASUS's VivoBook lineup is not quite as sexy as the ZenBooks, they're still pretty solid laptops in their own right. This year's crop is no different with the new Flip 14 and the new line of VivoBook S laptops, the S13, the S14, and the S15. The difference with the VivoBook S lineup this year is that they all come in beautiful color blocking designs with bright, vivid, bold colors. Some of these laptops even have a nice textured finish, like a woven finish, for example. The other new thing about these VivoBook S laptops is that they come with ASUS's nano-ish technology, which gives them an incredibly thin bezel all the way around, some even up to 89% screen-to-body ratio. The S13 is definitely the smallest of the lot, with very thin, very light, but still pretty powerful with the latest 8th generation Intel Core processor. In fact, all of the VivoBook S laptops have the 8th generation Intel Core processor in them. They all come with 15 gigs of RAM and up to 512 gigabytes of SSD storage. The S15 even goes up to around 1 terabyte or so. Both the S14 and the S15 come with ergo lift hinges that lifts the keyboard up slightly in the back for a more comfortable, ergonomically friendly position. ASUS's VivoBook S14 and S15 laptops also come with the option for NVIDIA MX150 discrete graphics card. The other laptop ASUS announced today was the Flip 14, a convertible laptop that can rotate 360 degrees around. So it can be a laptop mode, or a tablet mode, a stand mode, and so forth. The difference with the Flip 14 this year is that it also comes with Intel's 8th generation Core processor. It also supports up to 1 terabyte of SSD storage. Since the Flip 14 can also act as a tablet, it is also compatible with ASUS's pen stylus. Pricing and availability for all of these laptops are not announced just yet, but they'll definitely come out before the end of this year. For more on this story and others, head to Engadget.com.